Let's fill out the Texas Dirt Bike Bill of Sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID, and on the title, a nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. So you want to transfer a dirt bike title in Texas. Let's walk through exactly what you need to get this done right. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. Both the donor and the recipient must sign the affidavit and the title application. So make sure both parties are present and ready to put pen to paper. Next up is the title application itself. You'll need a signed application for Texas title and/or registration. That's Form 130U. And the sales price must be clearly shown on that form. This is also where your vehicle identification information comes in, including the name and address of the seller, the date of sale, and the vehicle identification number, or VIN. Now for the odometer disclosure. You'll need a properly signed title that includes both the date of sale and the odometer reading. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.